Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account on Android and iOS. Let's dive in. First of all, you want to launch the Facebook app and then you want to click on the lower right corner where you have your profile image. Then you want to click on the gear icon on the top right corner and then you want to click on the new setting that was just added with the recent update from Facebook, which is Meta Account Center. You click on Meta Account Center, and here on the last part of the 3-section menu, you will see the option that it says Account Settings, which has the second line of option, which is Personal Details. You want to click on Personal Details, and then you will be able to click on the last option, which is Account Ownership and Control. You click on Account Ownership and Control, and here you can actually delete or deactivate your account. Usually you will find not only your Facebook account, but you will find also Instagram accounts linked to this Facebook account. So click on the account that you want to delete. You have to input your login information again to confirm your deletion. And after you click delete, you will have 30 days to change your mind. Even though you press the button delete, you still will have 30 days to reactivate your account and change your mind. Now, you probably wonder how you can actually reactivate your account. You can do so by simply going back to the Facebook app and log in again. The moment you log in again in the Facebook app in the account that you act to be deleted, your account will simply be reactivated. This is very important, and you want to make sure that when you actually reactivate your account, you go back to the personal details in same exact section and you see your account status. This is very important. Again, this thing works only by individual selection of the accounts. Like I mentioned here, you will find Instagram accounts that are linked with this account and Facebook accounts or Facebook pages. So if you want to delete multiple different accounts that are linked to this main account, you have to go about individual deletion. You have to click on each account on Facebook or Instagram, log in, delete, and come back. Log in, delete, and come back. This is how you're gonna go about by deleting multiple accounts at the same time. If you guys found this video helpful, subscribe and come back for more.